sentence. I give you another example of imperative sentence. Suppose it's again the example I'm now gonna give you is again a request. So see, please give me the fruits. Now someone is asking someone or requesting someone that please give me the fruits. This please words correctly signifies that it is a request, thus it is a imperative sentence. Now I am going to give you the exclamatory sentences, examples of exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are very easy, as I told before, very easy to identify. You will find the exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So it's very easy to identify. Just like interrogative sentences, it is very easy to identify. You will find an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means this. If you find this mark at the end of any sentence, you will understand that it is an exclamatory sentence. Now I'll tell you the examples. I'll erase this now. Now I'm gonna give you examples of exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentence, yeah. How beautiful the girl is! Exclamation mark. So how beautiful the girl is, this is expressing feelings. This is the way you identify. So you don't need this way to identify an exclamatory sentence. Of course, when you will find an exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence, you will obviously understand that it is an exclamatory sentence. But you can actually see that how it is expressing the feelings, that how beautiful the girl is. The girl is beautiful. This is a feelings. This is this is expressed by the sentence. So this is an exclamatory sentence. And you obviously find exclamatory mark at the end. I give you another example. What a day! So sometimes we say what a day. It means that how beautiful the day was, how great the day was, how good the day was. So what a day, it's expression of a strong good feelings. So what a day at the end, exclamation mark. So you identify that it is exclamatory sentence. So finally we have got all the types of sentences: the declarative or assertive sentence, the interrogative sentence, the imperative sentence, and the exclamatory sentence. So I revise you once more. Declarative sentence or assertive sentence are statements which states which gives the information about something. As we can say an example that Ram is sitting on a wall. This is an information. This is a statement. So these are called statements or assertions or assertive sentence. So number 2, interrogative sentence, very easy to identify. You get a question mark at the end of the sentence, so it's there you ask questions, so it's an interrogative sentence. Someone is asking you a question with a question mark at the end, that means it's an interrogative sentence. The third type of sentence is imperative sentence, where you get commands or requests, such as someone is commanding you sit straight, someone is requesting you please give me some food. These are commands or requests. These are known as imperative sentences. Lastly, the exclamatory sentence, how which expresses strong feelings with a exclamation sign, with a exclamation sign at the end of the sentence. So it perfectly defines that it's a perfectly verifies that it is an exclamatory sentence with a strong feeling within the sentence. So these are the 4 types of sentence. Now I am going to discuss some questions with you. Please do see. Okay, now I am going to do some questions. So identify the type of sentence. Number 1, Akbar was a great king. Akbar was a great king. Now, as you can see, this sentence correctly signifies that it is assertive sentence because it is giving you information. It is stating that Akbar was a great king. It is giving you some information about Akbar the king, who was a great king. It is giving you information. It is a statement. So the answer of this question will be it is assertive sentence. So Akbar was a great king is an assertive sentence. Now, okay, number 2, we can say how cold the night is. How cold the night is. Now, if we see how cold the night is, it is first of all, here you can see an exclamation mark over here. That is exclamation mark very confirm that it is very confirm that it is exclamatory sentence. Still you can see that it is a strong feeling that how cold the night is. So without any doubts we can say that it is a exclamatory sentence. Now, if we move on to the next type of sentence, next question we can say what is the time? Now, very obvious, very obvious. You can see this. Our own friend, our own buddy, the exclamation, the interrogative, the question mark. So its answer very obvious. It will be interrogative sentence. It's asking the question that what is the time. So it is interrogative. Now number 4. He is a brave boy. First. Now if you see that this sentence is giving you the information that the boy is brave. He is a brave boy. It is giving you the info. At the first I told it is giving you the information, that means it is an informative sentence, a assertive sentence. It is a statement, that means it is a assertive sentence. Now I guess will be very easy from now. You can understand from the assertive sentence. So you can understand that it is very easy to identify the type of sentences. Once you understand the pattern of the sentences, it will be very easy for you to solve the questions. Now number 4, if I consider a sentence like please give, sorry, not give,